Lesson 10. First-person singular verbs. So far in this course, you've worked with both singular and plural forms of verbs, such as natat and natant. These types of verbs are collectively called third-person verb forms because they are used to talk about the actions of a person who is neither speaking nor being spoken to. In contrast, when you as a speaker are talking about yourself, you use a different verb form, the first-person singular. For example, the sentence nato means I am swimming.
Notice that this first-person singular verb ends with the letter O. Note also that in Latin,
The word for I, ego, is not needed because the verb form itself makes clear that the person speaking is swimming. As another example, these two sentences include the two third-person forms of the Latin verb to pray. To write I am praying, use a different form of the verb, oro. Again, in Latin, you don't need to include the word for I. As a final example, here are three sentences that include various forms of the Latin verb to sit. As in the previous examples, notice that the first-person singular verb ends with the letter O. This ending makes the first-person singular verb form fairly simple to identify in Latin.